Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. I'm Weston Palmer. Let's get started. But first, a thank you to my Patreon supporters. I love the interaction and feedback. So I've already prepped the data, but we want to get this report with these hours, and we want to convert that to a date so that you can actually do something with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and isolate this date. And so I'm just going to create a calculated field. I'm just call this extracted date. And I'm going to use the mid function. This is a string function, and we're going to use the path. Anytime you do a union, it's going to give you the path. And let's just say here 36 is where we'll start. And I just throw some random numbers in here. It's not completely random, but just some ballpark. I'm not going to actually go through and count. Click OK, and then I'm going to bring the extracted date over. And you can see that I need to move it over just a couple. So make it 38. And there we go. All right, so that's okay. Now we're going to make the date. And for this, I'm going to use make date. And so I need the year, the month, and the day. And what I want to do here is I'm going to just pull for the year, I'm going to pull the right 4 characters. And extracted date. And this is, I've already pulled that, so I want the right 4 characters. I'm going to do 4. And now, for the month, I want the front 2. So you're using a lot of string functions here. And then for the day, I need to do, I'm going to use another mid function. This is going to pull, it's going to say, okay, where do you want to pull from? I want to pull the extracted date. Where do you want to start? And you can see here I want a number 3. Now this only works if it's always in 2-digit format, right? Or everything has to be consistent. And we just want 2 again. Actually, we may want to start on 4. Oops. And you know what's going to happen? It's going to come back as an error because the make date function requires integers. String, 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 did you mean integer? So how do we convert that to an integer? int will convert it. If it looks like an integer, we'll convert it to an integer. Same thing will work if you have string, str. It will convert a number to a string. And so we'll put that up here. Should be valid. Now we've got a date. You can see that it has a date data type. And that is how you convert daily reports or weekly reports, monthly reports, any report with a month to a day. I hope you'll check out these other cool videos that I've selected for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below.